Okay. What is it from there?
Guys, we have an unboxing.
Unboxing.
And we
What's that? Can you read what's the box said? Blah blah blah.
blah 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 here. And we can read this one.
I'll read.
The what's
Archaeologist.
archaeologist dinosaur
What?
what is
What's
this?
that?
Excavation.
Excavation. Oh.
Okay, let's open this.
Aba.
Here. What's this? What's this?
Do you have to read the instruction? What's the instruction said?
Hold on.
So, ayan o. Here o.
What's this?
See?
Oh,
Magnifying glass.
cool. Now I need to wear this. I think it's too small. I think. It's too small. And a brush.
Yeah.
I think it's like this.
So archaeologists, they study fossils.
Yeah, we need to do it outside.
Fossils of dinosaurs.
Oh yeah.
So what's inside in there? What do you think what's inside there?
I don't know because I already have this dinosaur.
So what do you think inside?
I think it's the same.
Is it dinosaur?
Or it's just nothing. But we just need to check out.
What's in here?
Huh? Ooh, what's this? Where's the opening?
What subject is this?
Just exercise gave me it. Exercise teacher just gave me it because I was good.
Glass.
Need to wear gloves. It's too big.
So this is science, is it?
Wait, we need to be careful. What
Here.
is-
You have to read something here.
You look like my experiment.
This is the...
Mamma mia, mamma mia.
So when you break that rock, you have to put it here. So there's the rocks down here.
It's too stuck here. Okay. Money. You need to have goggles. And then, yeah, here.
That's not mirror. What's that?
No, just open it.
Found it. Oh, put it. What's up? Then you get here. You just use your dimension. This is the area that you found when you take this to get dinosaurs. You found here. Found slowly. Found. Go, go. You go outside. Found. Let's see. Found. You outside here. You outside. Okay, there's something here. Go, you make it inside. You found some. Maybe this one. Here, found. Yeah, this one you found. This one. There. Whatever you found, you put it in the box. That's what I told you. You got the bowl before, yeah? So yeah, I can make the bowl, okay? What? It's so amazing. Let me start down here. You found it. I found it. Found. Found. Okay, put it out of the one second, don't do this. It's not that bad. That's super. I'll come and put it in the this is one, maybe 5. See, that's easy. No, no, this one.
Nothing.
Okay, this one. Open the edge. Here. Let me see it. And hold this one. Hold this here. It's really hard to find. You got it, everyone. Look at you, take it in. No, that's not how you do it. You do this one. Yeah? You found it slowly. Don't slowly. See that? What is it?
This is the key. I think it's a bone.
So you have to clean it with a brush. When it's clean, you have to put it here. So the thin bone should be here, okay? You use a sponge. Clean it. You do like this. Yeah? Do this one. So that's how I told you this. That's the word. And then when you're this one here, you have to do like this. Oh, the key, look at that. You found something of the dinosaurs. Okay?
Oh, I got bone. Maybe a brush. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's it. I got it. Come on. We can have all the pieces. Oh my god. Oh. Come on, give me goggles.
Let me see that. To go sa gago. You know why you need goggles?
Because you need to see something. Because if you look at the sun will come out.
You don't protect your eyes from the evil, the small evil. When you found like this, close your eyes, you don't have goggles.
You
That's
need
why you
safety
need it.
goggles.
You see that bone here? You have a brush?
Oh, yeah.
You sponge and brush. You know? Look here, check it out. Found. You need to break the bone. Yeah, it's right. Open it. You can go.
No, it's not. It's not.
Wow, this is the ribs.
Oh, 이거 보니까
이게 공. The ribs.
좀 얇고
네. 근데 아래 빵. 좀 봅니다.
just me. Yeah.
아래 콩. See, look at this. This is the spinal cord. 이거나? 거의 다 오인다. 너무 재밌을 거야. You know, I feel like this. We don't wash. This is we don't wash the bone. We use the sponge to wash it. You know why we don't wash it? Because we don't know how many years is a bone. Okay? That's why you have this and like this. This is how we begin. So you need to clean the one. That's your job. That's your experiment. Use the sponge to wash. Yeah? Whatever clean, leave it here. Just think about it later. No, you put it later.
Please.
Just something like that.
Yeah, man.
Just chainsaws. Yeah, chainsaws. Got it. Is this a teeny tiny teeny? No. It looks like Spinosaurus, yeah?
Oh yeah, yeah. I need a bit of sponge. I need normal now. This isn't.
I think this is
Oh, what?
Oh, hi guys.
Hi guys, we're just playing this one. How to make it?
Then,
Make sure I need to do it by myself.
okay.
So I will build it.
I will show you.
I'll show you. The first thing is this one. This one
What dinosaur is that?
is Spinosaurus.
Why?
Can you turn on the aircon, please?
Why Spinosaurus?
Because it have a calm.
Spike in the back. That's why it's called Spinosaurus. Spine.
Yeah. And the teeth. Like that.
Like that. You put the tail. Sing your bum bum.
Can you turn off on that one, please?
Okay. Is that first or the leg first? Let's read
This
it.
one. Yes. I click. Oh, I click again.
Okay. What's next?
It's teeny tiny arms. See this one? This teeny tiny arms? I think I do it. These are the teeny tiny arms.
That's not it.
So it's okay.
Yeah.
And then when you see a mirror, it's
That's not it. Sorry.
Just turn on the fan.
Hey, what is that? How come the people do that? That's a square, see? Triangle plus triangle plus. Oh. Look at that. Of course, this one. Oh, can you show me?
See, I made it by myself. The first one is mommy, the second one is by myself.
Yeah. Then move them. Thanks.
Thanks very much. I know.
What dinosaur is this?
Triceratops.
Hmm?
Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Triceratops. And this is the Dino Masterman. This one is Flash. His name is Flash. It's bigger too. This one is bigger. Even your eye.
It's okay, we're done with the excavation of
Yeah, because I like to.
Spinosaurus
Yeah.
from the school activity.
Because we.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.